Hello, I am Professor Kate Norton, Assistant Professor of Law and Director of Clinical and International Programs. Through our clinical, externship, and pro bono programs at the Tribone Center, students have hands-on learning opportunities just steps from downtown Pittsburgh, the seat of Allegheny County. The cases the students work on help to address a variety of difficulties that individuals experience. For example, child custody matters in our family law clinic, children with disciplinary or educational needs in our youth advocacy clinic, and justice-involved veterans through our veterans clinic are just to name a few. Our goal is to not only teach our students the necessary skills a lawyer will use, but also about the important role lawyers play in the community. Without our students and their hard work, a large number of individuals would not have access to the courts, and the individuals may not be able to address issues that directly impact their daily lives.